Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be sharing some high-paying side hustle apps that will allow you to earn money from your mobile phone. That's right, no computer or laptop required, which means that you can do these on the go. All these have been proven to be legit and are much higher paying than GPT sites and apps. So if you're interested to learn how you can create a decent side gig income with apps on your phone, then please stick around for the entire video. Welcome to Next Level Finance, the channel where we teach you how to make money online with your financial freedom as the ultimate goal. The first app I wanted to tell you about is called Fope. So if you love taking pictures with your mobile phone, then this app can actually help you turn this hobby into a little bit of extra cash. So Fope is a mobile app that allows you to upload pictures and videos from your phone to their app, which can be purchased by their clients, which are mostly brands, advertising agencies, but also individuals. So according to its website, Fope is your customized visual content platform powered by creatives for creative professionals. So what they do is work with big brands like Nivea, Volvo, Kraft Heinz, Heineken, etc. and provide them with tailor-made photo and video content with the help of a pool of individuals just like you and me. So basically on the Fope app, you can create a portfolio, fill it with your snaps, and when it's purchased through the Fope app, then you split the profit 50-50 with Fope. Individual photos on Fope cost around $10, so you can expect to get around $5 for each one that you sell. Instead of simply uploading photos on the app, one great way for your pictures to get noticed and purchased would be by participating in brand challenges, also called missions. This is where clients give directions and specify things that they're looking for. If your photo gets chosen, you win the prize money. Otherwise, you still get to put your work out there and be noticed as an active member, and this will still definitely give you an edge among others. Payouts are done via PayPal, and if you're into taking pictures anyway, I would say that this is a fun, stress-free way to make passive income that you should definitely consider. So the second app that I wanted to share with you is called Google Opinion Rewards. Okay, so in case you haven't already heard, Google Opinion Rewards is an app that's available on both iOS and the Play Store. So it was created by Google Surveys and is sometimes referred to as the Google Panel. It basically allows you to complete short surveys while standing in line or even while stuck in traffic. And the topics for the surveys should include everything from opinion polls to hotel reviews to merchant satisfaction surveys. And this is definitely an easy way to monetize your downtime. One of the best things about the surveys that you'll find here is that they're some of the easiest and the shortest ones that you'll find, which means that you don't need to spend a lot of time doing them. Come to think of it, I've answered quite a number of them that took me just about a minute to finish. So if you haven't already, maybe you want to consider downloading the app right after watching this video so that if you do find yourself in a cafe waiting for that friend of yours who's always notoriously late, instead of scrolling through social media while waiting, you can make a quick buck taking a minute-long survey or two on Google Opinion Rewards. And similar to Fope, this app pays you via PayPal and of course through other ways like Google Play Credit. Just make sure you specify your preference as soon as you sign up for your account. Please excuse the interruption, but if you're enjoying the content so far, please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell below just to show our channel some love. And with that said, let's get right into the next money-making app. So this third one is called Taskrabbit. And what it basically is a task marketplace that links together a person in need of help with a task to what the app calls a tasker. And this is essentially a person who can help a client complete a task. It's definitely a way to make decent money performing handyman tasks, yard work, sitting jobs, and more. As you may have guessed, this app is proximity-based, and what may be available in your area may not be available in someone else's area. So here are examples of what jobs are available in my city. As you can see, the tasks range from assembling furniture, to mounting a TV or mirror, to moving boxes via truck, to cleaning a bathroom or kitchen. So the amount that you will make will depend on the kind of task that you do and also what area you're in. But don't worry, because according to Taskrabbit's VP for Marketing, Jamie Vigiano, 10 to 15% of taskers on their platform make up to $7,000 and up per month. That's quite a good number, don't you think? To get started on Taskrabbit, you'll want to download the app, making sure that you download the Taskers version because there's a separate one for clients. Fill out all of the details, and when you have that ready, you can just wait for clients to send you task invitations. You can then chat with a client to discuss the scope of work, and if you find that it's a good fit, then you can accept the job, schedule it, and start making money. One of the things I especially love about Taskrabbit is that they've partnered with IKEA, and this pretty much means that they always have tasks available for their taskers. Now it's time to move on to the fourth app, and it's called Field Agent. And what it is an app that allows shoppers to use their smartphones to furnish retailers, store owners, or other field agent clients to provide shopper insights and retail information. This basically allows you to capture things that the client wants to see. Let's take a store like Target, for example. Target can get the Field Agent app to assign shoppers to see how their merch is displayed, or maybe how their fitting rooms look, or even how polite their staff is being. It's essentially you being a mystery shopper. So as a field agent, you can be asked to do stuff like take photos or videos, pay attention to certain aspects of the store, and give your honest feedback about it. And tasks can range anywhere between $2 to $20. One of the tasks that many field agents enjoy is when a client asks you to purchase something and rate it, give your opinion about it. This is really great because you get to keep the item, or if the client is in the food business, you get to eat it. Not only will they reimburse you for the item that you've consumed or kept, they'll even pay you for it. The last app that I have for you does not entail any work, but instead allows you to earn cash back for purchases that you made at participating outlets using your credit card. So that app is called Dosh, and the best thing about it is that unlike cashback platforms that have come before it like Swagbox and Rakuten, you can get your money without any of the hassle. And each time you make a purchase from any of its partners, your e-wallet is credited immediately, and you can cash out via PayPal once your balance reaches $25, which, trust me, isn't that hard to do at all. As always, I hope you found a lot of value in this video, and if you did, do let us know by leaving a comment down below. Tell us what you would want to see next, and we'll try to do that for you. Also, make sure to hit like, share, subscribe, and that notification bell so I can let you know the next time I upload a new video. Please don't forget that we have a ton of other money-making ideas out on our channel. I'll leave links to a few of those in the description box for you so you can check those out and get started reaching your financial goals today. Alrighty then, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.